Today, the Honorable Prime Minister of India held a meeting through video conference with all the chief ministers to review the COVID-19 situation. In the video conference, which was also attended by Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, the Honorable Prime Minister spoke about the need for effectively enforcing the lockdown measures and also stressed upon the need for giving utmost focus on tracing, isolation, and quarantine measures so as to successfully prevent the spread of the virus. The improvement in the medical infrastructure that has to be carried out urgently by getting the requisite medical equipment and accessories by all the state was also discussed, as well as the need for having dedicated COVID-19 hospitals. Following the video conference of the Honorable Prime Minister, the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland also held a video conference with all the DCs, SPs, and CMOs of the 11th district, wherein detailed status report of the preparedness of the district regarding COVID-19 pandemic was obtained. The CMOs also briefed Chief Minister on the improvements that have been carried out in the hospitals and on the availability of the medical equipment and other accessories, etc. as on that. The Honorable Chief Minister asked all the officials of the district to keep a strict vigil on the situation and also keep taking up suitable measures to ensure that situation is kept under control. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package was announced by the Honorable Prime Minister of India concerning insurance scheme for health workers fighting COVID-19 in government hospitals and healthcare centers, whereby any health professional who, while treating COVID-19 patients, meets with some accident will be compensated with an amount of rupees 50 lakh. I'm happy to inform that the government of Nagaland announces that an additional amount of rupees 10 lakhs will be compensated for all such workers by the state government. Today, a team from Department of Health and Family Welfare, led by the Principal Director, Dr. Vizole Z. Shukriya, visited Mon, Longland, and Tuengsan districts to oversee the designated COVID-19 quarantine facilities and hospitals. They also interacted with the district administration and district health authorities. As regards the tracking of all the individuals from the state of Nagaland, about whom information were received of the possibility of either having attended the Nizamuddin Markaz religious congregation or having been in close vicinity of that place in New Delhi, where some COVID positive cases have been reported. I would like to inform you that till now, contacts have been established with 48 such individuals and 20 are outside Nagaland. Out of the remaining 28, there are only 2 who had attended the congregation and they have been put under quarantine at our facilities. Further, the samples of these 2 persons were also sent for testing and it has been found negative. As regard the remaining individuals, There are those who were in the vicinity of that area where congregation was held or had just crossed that location, and they are under home quarantine, and none of them are exhibiting any symptoms. I would like to further inform you that so far, as of 4 p.m. today, 40 samples have been sent for testing, and result for 32 samples have been obtained which are negative. The result of 8 samples are awaited. Further, another consignment of essential medical equipment and accessories, which was flown in from Delhi to Guwahati yesterday by Indian Airlines, has reached Kohima. With regard to availability of food and essential commodities, the situation continues to remain normal. The district administration has again been told to monitor the prices and keep the same under control. I conclude by once again seeking your continued cooperation and support for the various measures imposed for enforcing lockdown in the state. Thank you.